हैप्पी संडे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो आज मैंने सोचा है कि मैं अपने संडे का सबसे अच्छा यूज़ करूँगी, वो है कि मैं अपने मेकअप ब्रशेस साफ करने वाली हूँ। एंड व्हेन आई गेट माई पिम्पल और एक्ने, आई नो समथिंग इज़ नॉट राइट, मे बी माई ब्रशेस आर नॉट very clean, you know, there could be many reasons to it. So today I'll tell you how do I go about washing my brushes. So first thing first, you need a deep bowl like this because you need to make sure that your brushes are standing when you're washing them. Okay, so what I have put inside this is this shampoo. So use any shampoo. You can use a baby shampoo or you can use any nice shampoo, you know, which has that properties of cleaning your brushes. After that, you can put something like this. This is actually a mint and cucumber face freshener, so the antibacterial. So this can be really helpful because there could be a lot of you know, bacteria formation, because that's how we get the acne. So that's the reason I always put this in my, you know, whatever I prepared. And of course a few drops of oil. So I use almond oil. This is totally optional because some people would see why would we add oil, but yes, I like to put oil. Added some water in it. So this is because you don't have to fill it this much. This is the mostly bubble will settle down, but almost like 3/4 or little less than 3/4 you have to fill, because you don't want water to go inside your brushes. You know, this is the area where the water can seep in, so it has to be that much height. Okay, so if it's too much, once I dip it, I will throw it off. Just brush to mix it. So now it's inside this like this, and please don't put your beauty blender inside this. Okay, say hello.
Hello everyone.
Sorry for that.
Sorry, I was coming.
Now okay, just put inside this like this and just leave it for like 10 minutes. Beauty blender, what I do is I take water in a mug, I put some same shampoo in it, and then just soak it for some time. So you know, it will kind of start leaving all the product, like you can see in 2 minutes it's so much of you know, foundation, whatever was there inside is coming out. So you just do it, and then you don't soak it for too long like the brushes, because it absorbs a lot of water, then it becomes all the more difficult to clean it. So just next step going to be is, yeah, we're gonna use this scrub which I got from Amazon. So what does this do? Kind of take away the, you know, whatever is stuck in the bristles of the brushes. So we kind of take it out from that. So now I'll take it out from any of the brushes from this mixture, and kind of just move it around like this. This can also be done like for a quick you know, brush wash. So it kind of, you know, get inside and take out. So actually soap does the maximum of the work. Yeah, this does help too. Again, take a small clean bowl of water and dip it in again over there, just to get that soap out. You know, we don't want anything to be left inside, because that will eventually go to our face. All my brushes are in clean water, so you don't keep it for too long. So just take it out. I will tell you how do I dry my brushes. So just put a towel like this and put another towel on the bottom, and just put your brushes like this. Cleared your doubts, and this will help you in cleaning your makeup brushes clean as well. So now there are certain things which I want to tell. If you think you can put a sanitizer, don't use that, because that can spoil the bristles of your brush. And also, why do I use a shampoo and not a regular soap or a hand wash? Because that's not meant for, you know, hair like texture. Shampoo is actually made for a hair like texture, so that is a little milder for makeup brushes. And of course there are a lot of things available in the market which you can use directly. This is basically for what you can do it at home. So I normally do it like this, and all my brushes have been with me for a long time. Even before I started my YouTube channel, some of the brushes are very old, but they work well, and they are in good condition. So guys, I hope this video will help you all, and if you like this video, do share it with other people, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye.